In this video, I'll show you how to find all the key locations so that you can unlock the 4 chests that are in the Arcane Library. And it's really simple. All you have to do is go to the pedestal where this press E to action note is, and you'll find the first key over here. So select the key, then hit escape to exit, and all you want to do is go walk towards the key with the red dot, the chest with the red dot, and hit E to open. So now it's going to give you a note. All you have to do is read it. So it's going to give you permission for the high jump, and you're going to need this for the next 2 keys. One is going to be right here, so just jump up onto this railing, walk up here, and then you'll find the next key inside this jar. So hit escape and you'll have the next key. So you'll go over here and you'll unlock this crate right here. So when you open it, it's going to give you a potion that lets you increase your maximum book carrying capacity. Go hit enter, and the next key you're going to want to go to is walk over here to the 2P bookshelf and jump on top of it. You'll find the next key right here, which is the star key. So just hit E to action, pick up that key, and you're going to want to go back to the chests. That key will be opening this chest right here. So give that a quick open. It will give you another potion. This is going to increase your maximum book capacity again. And the final key will be located here on this seat right here. See this pile of books? It is right under it. You can probably just find it right here. You don't have to pick up the books. You just pick up the key right here. And you go ahead and you open up the last chest. So you can just jump up, open that chest, and it should give you the sprint. Yep, permission to run with the library in emergency. Just hit that next, and now you have the sprint option, and that's how you open up all of your chests in this game.